Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Charan. Let's continue the Python tutorial series. Now in this video tutorial I will explain how to count the length of the string, calculate the length of the string without using the length function. This is one of the most common interview question they'll ask. So let's start the tutorial. So the command is Python length of str.py, enter. Notice here I got the prompt here, enter the name, I'm adding, my name is Charan, enter. So here we got the length of the string is 17.
If you are a first time visitor to my channel, please subscribe to get the latest updates.
For this video tutorial I am using Visual Studio Code. First let's open my folder which is a Python-tutorials, and here the Python-tutorials folder is added. Let me expand this folder. Now in this folder I will create one new Python file called length of the string, str.py, and here we got the newly created Python file is open. Now my aim is get the length of the string without using the length function. Instead of get, we'll calculate the length of the string without using the length function. So first I require one string 1 is equals to input, enter the name, some name I am giving here. After that I am adding the one variable count to count the input values. Then for x in string 1, then count, I am using the shortcut method to count the string 1 variables input values. That's it. Let's print the calculate the length of the string. Let's give the length of the string is count. That's it. We have done the complete coding part. Let's save this file, save all. We'll check the final output of our application. First let's clear this one and let's check the final output. Calculate the length of the string without using the length function. So the command is Python length of str.py, enter. Notice here I got the prompt here, enter the name, I'm adding, my name is Charan, enter. So here we got the length of the string is 17 from 0 to 7. So here we got the length of the string is 17. That's it. In this video tutorial I have explained how to calculate the length of the string without using the length function. Thanks for watching this video tutorial. Please subscribe, share and leave your valuable comment. We'll catch you in my next video tutorial.